Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. If you loved the calm foundational styles we explored in part 1, but want your home to feel a little more expressive, this video is for you. Today we're exploring interior styles that introduce more colour, pattern and personality while still feeling cohesive and timeless. So let's begin. 1. Eclectic Style. Eclectic interiors bring together a mix of styles, eras and influences, rather than committing to a single look. The key is creating contrast that still feels intentional and unified. Elements to borrow from this style include a bold but cohesive colour palette. Begin with a calm neutral base, then build depth with richer tones such as rust, indigo, olive, ochre, deep blue and muted jewel tones. A confident mix of furniture styles and eras. For example, vintage and antique pieces sit comfortably alongside contemporary designs. Refined finishes are balanced with more rustic materials and different woods and metals, and silhouettes are layered for a lived-in feel. Collections as focal points. Gallery walls or grouped collections of ceramics, dinnerware, sculptural decor, books, silverware, travel finds or heirloom pieces help to tell a story and reflect your personal style. And embrace pattern play. Introduce patterns such as plaids, florals, ticking stripes, botanicals or geometrics at different scales, small, medium and large. Two, Mediterranean Revival. Next is Mediterranean Revival. This style draws inspiration from coastal regions across Spain, Italy, Greece, France, Morocco and beyond. Rather than a single, fixed look, Mediterranean Revival is defined by the appreciation of craftsmanship, natural materials and a strong connection between indoor and outdoor living. Elements to borrow from this style include a sun-washed earthy colour palette. Chalky whites, ivory, stone, ochre, terracotta and soft greys form the foundation. Layered with oceanic blues, sage, celadon, seafoam and occasional accents of yellow, coral or deep red. Architectural character with lime-washed or stucco walls, rounded arches, ball niches, wrought iron details, exposed timber beams and terracotta or limestone flooring. pattern tile used as a decorative feature. Moroccan or Talavera tiles work beautifully on stair rises, splashbacks, entryways, bathrooms or alfresco areas. Oversized, relaxed furniture. Introduce slip-covered sofas, cane or leather-backed chairs, natural timber tables, limestone consoles, and built-in seating or shelving to create an open, lived-in feel. Expressive but restrained decor. Hand-painted ceramics, unglazed earthenware, woven baskets, carved wooden bowls, floor lanterns and sculptural vessels and vases can be used to add character without clutter. And abundant living elements. Olive trees, palms, bougainvillea, herbs, succulents, and large plants help to blur the line between indoors and out. Finally, modern cottage style reinterprets the charm of traditional French and English cottages in a contemporary way. It's less about location and more about creating a home that feels warm, welcoming, layered, and lived in. Elements to borrow from this style include a soft, grounded colour palette. Creamy whites and warm neutrals form the base, layered with earthy tones such as sage green, olive and taupe. Subtle accents of muted blues, charcoal or deep brown add depth without heaviness. Gentle architectural character. Features such as shiplap or subtle panelling, built-in window seats, exposed ceiling beams, and generous windows or French doors add charm while allowing natural light to flow freely. Comfortable, well-proportioned furniture in natural materials with a combination of slip-covered or upholstered sofas and armchairs, large timber trestle or pedestal tables, rattan or caneback accents, and a thoughtful mix of vintage, antique and contemporary pieces. Rich and varied textures layered throughout. Natural stone, weathered brick, and a mix of light and dark timbers can be complemented by touches of marble and lustrous finishes such as unlacquered brass or bronze. And living elements that connect the home back to nature with garden greenery such as boxwood and potted herbs, fresh or dried flower arrangements, foraged greenery, and lichen-covered branches. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe because it helps us reach more people passionate about styling. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.